Hey guys, how are things? Today I'm doing a walk out in the woods, just taking some fresh air. So, yeah, I thought do a little short discussion as well while we're doing this stuff. One thing I want to talk to you guys about the big questions everyone most of the time asking. One of the main questions is TypeScript about the interfaces, and especially JavaScript developers, they are a bit confused about the interfaces term all the time. And because in the object-oriented programming we use interfaces to implement things like we are doing with the implement clause. But the main thing, guys, first thing when you come from JavaScript to TypeScript, the interfaces we most of the time use to give a shape for the objects. So if you have an object and if you want to kind of give it a shape that you can use throughout your code, we use the interface like any kind of entity. Let's say some sort of user entity, you can say interface user entity, and then you give some properties like, let's say, ID, name, and ID, a number, name, a string, and we give that shape and call it interface user entity. And then you can use that interface throughout our code in the functions as parameters, and also we can use them as what we call the return types, and also you can doing the tagging the variables as well. I'm kind of keep repeating the same concept again and again different videos because lots of new engineers who are come to, I mean, engineers who are working with the JavaScript coming to TypeScript, they always get confused this interfaces thing because we have another called type alias as well. So yeah, guys. So while I'm doing this wood walk as well, I thought it would be nice to do a little short video on that one. So yeah, I mean, the first step would be if you're coming from JavaScript moving to TypeScript, just start with the giving a shape for your the object literals you're using. Just give it a shape rather than just using the object literal. Just use that interface and tag that interface in your functions, and also we are using the variables, and get that help from the TypeScript compiler and to give you the feedback during the compile time so you can't make any mistakes. I mean, at least it's kind of minimize your mistake in runtime. So alright guys, so I'm going to enjoy my rest of the walk, and hope you guys having a great leisure time or spending time with the coding session. This is what I do most of the time if I get a free time or if I want to get a break from coding. This is my second passion, I would say, walking around nature, get some fresh air. Yes guys, so we'll catch up again at some point. Cheers guys.